Pittsburgh commercial roofing takes more than thought and guesswork. At my Pittsburgh Roofing, we button up flat and metal roof faster than you can say yins. GAF credentials ensure leak-proof projects, while A+ Better Business rating and over 400 Google reviews prove on-time, squeaky clean finishes. Ask about 25-year warranty systems and true 0% financing. Free estimates today before the DRIP files a work order. We understand that commercial roofing projects can be daunting. From unexpected leaks to aging materials, the challenges can disrupt your business operations and peace of mind. That's where we come in. Our certified team begins with a thorough assessment, identifying the issues before they escalate. Specializing in rubber roofing, we ensure durability and longevity of your property. Whether it's a repair or replacement, our focus is on delivering a top-notch workmanship tailored to your needs. But don't just take our word for it. Our commitment to quality has earned us the trust of numerous Pittsburgh businesses. We offer free estimates and flexible financing options to make the process seamless for you. Ready to protect your investment with reliable commercial roofing in Pittsburgh? Reach out and let's get started securing your property's future.